Hello everyone, today we're going to be painting up the Oathbound Phalanx and the Oathbound Legionaries in order to get them to resemble the Flood from the Halo universe. So far you can see I just got a fleshy base put on them, used some brown, orange, and white mix up till I got the desired tone there. Then I'm going over it with a lighter fleshy tone, which is just some light brown mixed with white, and kind of dry brush it on there so we can leave that flesh tone on the recesses and the undercarriage of these bugs. And go over, do that on all of these units, and then we'll hit it with some Nuln Oil, which really brings out all those details. After that, I mix a little bit of Nuln Oil with some yellow, and I just go over top of that in the high points to give it a nice yellowy sheen on the top, like some of the Flood have. Just white for the teeth and black in the mouth. I think it turned out pretty good. I'm thinking of potentially doing a few touches of some brighter red on their front claws there, just to give it a little bit more contrast, but I'm happy with it where it ended up for right now. I'll be running them in a tournament on Saturday. Hopefully this video will be posted by then. And yeah, I'm running it with my Queen Maladrex in the back there, the Queen Xenomorph as I painted her, and I'll probably get a video out as well showing how I'm gonna spice that up a little bit by adding in a ripped in half Nagrub in her front claws there, front pinchers, I don't know what you would call that. They look like crab claws. Yeah, thank you for watching, and I hope you like the results.